Hello guys, welcome back to my channel one more time. And I think since the last time I recorded a video and I sat here talking to you, a lot of things have been going on. The world is crazy right now and well, we are all in quarantine. So today I wanted to share with you the latest shopping spree that I did when I went to Panama. I obviously bought some things and I spent a lot of money. So today I'm going to show it to you and I'm going to do a tutorial. Some things are not as new, some things are, and I just want to see the performance of things. So today we're going to do a blue makeup look. So let's get started. So I want to start with the Dose of Colors Desi and Katie Friendcation palette that they launched together, because this has the blue that I want to use today. So this, obviously this palette is not new, so I'm not gonna dive too much into this palette. So I'm just gonna use a base color, and I think before doing that, obviously I'm gonna use a new shade of concealer. This is a Tarte Shape Tape, and I recently bought this, but I bought this new shade, the light medium sand, because I got a bit of tan and sometimes I don't wear foundation and I just wear concealer all over my face. So I figured that having the lightest shade, like the lightest shade before this one, it was gonna be too light when I came back. So I bought this shade and it's perfect. So I'm just gonna use it as my eye base. So my eyeshadows have a grip, and I'm just gonna distribute all of this concealer with a, I think this is a Soeva brush. This is a concealer buffer from Soeva, especially in this area here. So I really wanted to take the opportunity to start doing these videos because we are all in lockdown. I'm in lockdown recently. I'm just self-isolated, like my office, my boss just sent us home to work from home because things could get a little bit worse. So yeah, I'm just self-isolating, so I figure we should, you know, learn a little bit of makeup. Also, bought the Summer Fridays mask, the jet lag mask, and I have to say that I really like it. I love it. So that's gonna be in another video, maybe it's skincare. I'm gonna start with Basic. This is the shade of the palette. Start with the blending brush. This is from the Morphe and Jaclyn Hill collection. And I'm just gonna dust this all over my eye, especially in the crease, as my foundation color. And this is like a very pale, dusty baby pink. So I'm just gonna blend this all over the crease. So after that, I'm just gonna dive in and I'm gonna put the next color, and this is Sheens. It's a very, no, not Sheens, it's Necessary. It's a very, it's a deeper shade. I think it's like a lighter version of a chocolate color. It's very nice, just for contouring my eye. And I'm gonna apply this with a buffing brush. Oh no, I dipped in the other, but we're gonna use that color anyway. So I just dipped in that color and I'm starting to define that crease. I'm really concentrating in this zone here, and I'm just dragging it up. And I figured I wouldn't do my face first if I'm gonna do blue eyes, because I don't know, I didn't feel it today. I just don't want to mess it up. And I'm gonna go with the previous brush. Is this the previous brush? Probably not. And I'm gonna blend out that color there. Now I'm gonna go ahead with the same brush and I'm gonna apply the next color, which is Sheens. I'm gonna concentrate that color. Actually, so I need to change brushes because I need an angular brush, because I need to like define my lash line. So I'm just gonna start applying Sheens in my lash line and dragging it to the crease like this. And I'm gonna take the previous brush with nothing on, just to blend that, and then the bigger blending brush. I'm gonna go and apply the blue color. I'm just gonna go ahead, because I tried to put a pencil but I didn't like it too much. I'm gonna go ahead and apply that blue right away in my eyelid. As you can see, it's beautiful. It looks so pretty. It looks, when I look down to my mirror, it looks purple-ish, and I'm looking at the display here and it looks like a blue metallic. So once again, I'm gonna go with the previous brush. I'm gonna dig into sheens and just like dip in that area there, and I'm gonna buff that again. So now I'm just gonna apply a black eyeliner pencil really in the base of my eyelashes, in the part, in the inside area of my eyes. After that, I'm just gonna curl my eyelashes and apply mascara. I'm just gonna go and finish the other eye and I'll come back. So once I have my two eyes ready, it's gonna be more impactful when I do the lower line because I want to try a smoky type of eyeline below. I'm gonna put this MAC, is it called? Strobe cream. It is the Goldlite, just to give my face a bit of glow. I really like to use this cream, so I'm gonna use it as I normally do because I just got a new foundation, which is the Loreal Pro Matte, and this is matte and I don't want to be extremely matte. I'm gonna apply this to help me look a little more healthy. There are some L'Oreal foundations that I really loved through the years. I can't remember the names, but there was one with a glass bottle type, and I really liked that one. I think it was the L'Oreal True Match or something. I really like that one. The Infallible Pro Matte 24 Hour in the color some beige or 106. So I'm gonna apply a bit there, hoping it's not too much. And I'm gonna buff it in. I just saw some videos and people saying how you should buff your foundation. So I'm just gonna do that, and I think I applied a bit more than I should have. And I'm applying this with a Sigma brush. So I'm just buffing that in. And as you can see, it's very, I would say, medium coverage to full. And it doesn't feel too heavy, but it's definitely going matte on the matte side. And I think it would be even more if I hadn't applied that MAC Strobe cream. So that's like one part of the foundation that I put in my hand, and it does look matte, and it's not adhering to anything weird in my face, as you can see. It's a bit more yellow, but looks really nice. Oh, it does feel really good. Yeah, it is definitely matte, but it looks a bit satin because I applied that MAC Strobe cream. So I'm just gonna finish the other side. I want to know if you are also hooked in Love is Blind. Oh my god, I didn't want to watch it because I thought this is another reality show, weird, with people just talking about, I don't know. I thought it was just like a dating, I don't know, I thought it was like the other type of reality shows that I've seen that they don't make sense. Like there's just people being stupid on TV. So, I mean, not offense, but I mean, you know what I mean. I recently just started because, well, I don't have anything to do at night. I cannot go out, I cannot do anything extra. Everything that I had to do, I do it in the day. So I started watching Love is Blind, and I am hooked. I am completely into the show because it's so dramatic and I just need drama in my life. That's basically it. So yeah, I really want to know if you're like hooked, so let me know in the comments below. So the foundation is looking beautiful. I really like it. I didn't use a primer, I just used the MAC thing, and it's looking really nice. I'm gonna use the Tarte shade tape, and you're gonna see, even though it's not new for me, you're gonna see how it works, you know, this color. So I'm just gonna apply wherever I need that. I'm going to clean that area below my eyes with the concealer. And I'm just trying to do here a really straight line and a bit. This is like my favorite part. The most satisfying part about all of this process always is the concealer. So I wanted to know, what are you guys reading or listening while you are in isolation? Once I do this, I'm going to go ahead and try the new product for bronzing. So this one is the Chanel. Oh, this is the Chanel Soleil de Tan de Chanel. I don't know how you say this in French. I don't know French. My boyfriend knows French, but I don't. And it's the universal, and I put it in like air quotes because it's not universal. This is not a color that suits everybody. So it will probably suit me as a medium tan color and up for fairer complexions. And I've been really loving this. I used it like two times already, and I wanted to show it to you today. It's not a first impression, but you're gonna see it live. And what I really like is that it doesn't have this orange hint to it. It's more on the natural side, so you can actually bronze yourself and you won't look, I don't know, orange. So I'm gonna use this Sigma Round Kabuki. I'm just gonna swirl around that. I'm gonna apply it to the perimeter of my face, really bronzing myself. As you can see, for me, it's not that dark, so someone that is lighter than me would probably benefit from this in a really nice way, because it would actually show up in your skin. I really thought that this was gonna show up in my skin, since I'm not extremely tan. For some people I am, but like, you know, for myself, I'm not like extremely tan. But it does show up if I keep, you know, building the product, as you can see there. And it looks really natural. So I really like to just push that onto my ear, here my jawline, and then I just go and put it in my forehead, like really close to my hairline. And just, oh, you can see there, just bronze a bit there. Then I'm just gonna go ahead and do the same to the other side and to the nose. So do now is I'm gonna go and finish my eyes, but I'm not gonna set the lower part because I just don't want to have, like, if I have fallout, I want to be able to just like swipe it and like, or just like apply more concealer. So what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna apply the same eyeliner, the black eyeliner that I use on top. I'm gonna apply that in the lash line all over. It never looks sexy doing this, right? A bit in the outside as well, just to intensify the look. I'm gonna blend that with the chocolate color that we use on top. Basically, I'm just pushing the chocolate into that black eyeliner, just to mix them both like this. I really love the combination of chocolate and black. So once I finish this, I'm just gonna go and perfect everything with my beauty blender again. So we're gonna try today the new Charlotte Tilbury. Well, it's new for me. We're gonna try the this is the Cheek to Cheek Swish and Glow blush. This is the in the shade, I think it's the Pillow Talk, if I'm not mistaken. My first product from Charlotte Tilbury. I think I had some lipsticks before, but I really wanna like invest in like a good blush because I really love blushes. And here it is. It's so gorgeous, so pretty. What I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna try and recreate what she does in her tutorials, which is like applying it like in the apples of the cheek and just like mix it with the bronzer, the contour, or whatever. So this is so gorgeous. So it has like two shades. So the middle one is like the highlight part, and the outside part it's like the blush color. So I'm just gonna go and like mix them both. So it's a bit more powdery than I thought. I'm just gonna go ahead and apply this. I thought it smelled like something. It's so pretty. So instead of just swirling around the brush, I'm just tapping it now because right to the center, so I have like a youthful look, and it's just so pretty. It's really subtle, like really subtle. You have to not really subtle. You just have to work it in. I'm just so afraid of putting too much. That's what I'm like in slow motion. It looks so pretty. Oh my god, I'm so happy. I feel like sometimes I buy some things that are more expensive and then I, you know, end up not loving them. And I'm like, oh fuck, I just wasted all this money. And it doesn't, you know, look good. But this looks gorgeous. I feel like this is like the perfect color for brights. I don't know. So I applied the blush and I really like this blush. I'm a blush person and I cannot believe this blush goes on so easily and it gives you this beautiful glow. I really wanted to try this Maybelline Face Studio Crumbs Extreme highlighter, and I'm just gonna apply maybe a bit in my nose, but first, yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and apply it. I'm not gonna put any face mist or anything because I don't want to lose the effect of the blush. I'm just gonna apply that highlighter maybe here in my nose and here in my lips, and I'm gonna use my little pinky to apply the highlighter. I'm gonna go ahead and do my brows. You know, I do my brows with the Sopa Brows product, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Apply this beautiful color. It's the lip sheet in Pillow Talk, and I've heard so much about this pencil that when I tried it at Sephora, I really loved the color. So I'm gonna overline my lips a bit, so I want to see how it looks. So it's a really nice pink color. You can see this is a really nice pink, but I'm just gonna go ahead and finish that with another lipstick in the middle just to plump my lips to make it look a bit fuller. It's in like a nude color, and this one is from Loreal, and this is the 652 color Rich. These were all the new products that I acquired during my trip to Madrid, basically, because I went to Sephora. I really hope you like this tutorial. I really hope you like the look, and let me know in the comments below if you have tried the Charlotte Tilbury line or whatever she has, and what are your favorites. I'm just in love with this blush. It just looks extremely beautiful. So I hope to see you in the next video. Probably tomorrow I'm gonna start recording another. I'll see you on Instagram. I'm posting a lot there, so I'm hoping to see you there, and I'll see you in another video. Don't forget to like, subscribe if you like this channel, and yeah, let me know in the comments below what other thing you want to see. So I hope to see you in another video, and thanks for watching. Bye!